But I would like to see more organizations, more service centers. Like there's a large cooperative here, there's a large cooperative here. They have multiple service centers. Municipalities, multiple service centers. IOUs, multiple service centers. And I would like to see more of those operation managers come together as a team. These guys are using this tool. These guys are using a different tool. These guys had an incident, and they're not sharing it with these other service centers. All that's got to stop, man. I want to see folks coming together and utilizing that third party, utilizing bringing folks together and practicing. Let's share experiences. Let's share incidences. If we're truly our brother's keeper. Right, Thomas?
Yes, for sure.
I don't want to see no dang tattoo on your butt cheek that says, trust me, I don't want to see that, that says you're your brother's keeper. I don't want to see nothing like that. I want to see it in your actions, period. We got to share incidences. We've got to share near misses. We have to share. And yeah, at first you're going to have an uptick. Embrace it. But if you're truly your brother's keeper, I know so many incidences that linemen have come up to me privately and told me that they could not share with their team. Why? Because they didn't have a team. They would have been made fun of. They would have been ridiculed, maybe lose their job. And because they don't have that culture to where they can be a team. I've seen it where they were a team and they shared instances, and it's an amazing the feeling you get. That fuzzy hometown feeling, okay? And I've seen it to where everybody, shut up, Brent, don't teach that. Brent, don't talk about this. Literally, I've had these people tell me what not to teach. They get mad at me sometimes. Oh, no, we can't be friends. We can't do the soft skills. No, we don't want to do that. Don't tell them about their temporary protective grounds. No, don't tell them about that. We don't do that here, so we don't want you teaching it here. It's like, well, that's in the regulations, and it's also in the guidelines, ASTM. Why? No, we're not going to do that. Thomas, unbelievable.
Yeah. And I think people, and at no fault of their own, I'm not saying they do it deliberately, but when you're only in your backyard, you only see what's in your backyard. Mm-hmm. So you get these blinders on, like the horse pulling the cart. You can't see anything going on except for what's in front of you. And it is an awesome avenue to be able to use someone like yourself who's been across the country and talk to all these other people. You have so much experience in your tool bag with you that these people need to reach out and bring that into their backyard. Mm-hmm. If they're not going to go outside of the backyard, bring some of that in and have some conversations. Yeah. I think that's a great point. And it's a great opportunity. If you people aren't utilizing some of that, use it. Mm-hmm. It's there. They're doing it for free. They're doing it because they have a passion for the trade and what's going on.